Hello, my name is Elizabeth, and I'm so happy that you found my needle felting course. So I am a crafter and I love to try new things, and I decided to try needle felting a couple years ago, and I fell in love with it, which is why I created this needle felting course. Because even though it is very simple to needle felt, I found it difficult when I got started, and I wish that there would have been a course for me to teach me the basic steps of needle felting. So this course is for you if you are new to needle felting and you want to learn a little bit more, if you've never even heard of needle felting but are intrigued by it, or if you have started and just can't get the hang of it. So I'm going to walk you through what tools and supplies you're going to need, where to buy them from, how to store them properly, and then we're going to go into the techniques of the actual needle felting process. And then you're going to end it with your own projects so that you can create in your own home and truly have fun along the process. So if you have any questions about the course, please let me know. My emails are always open. You can email me elizabeth@countrypeony.com. And because honestly, I really just want you in the course. I want you to learn how to needle felt because it's so much fun. So I hope to see you in the course. I cannot wait to hear about your needle felting journey. Thank you.